Hey there, it is 14 February 2020, and I'm out for a training walk. Okay, we're still on our walk. That car is coming behind me. See, it looks like rain's in the forecast. Hope it doesn't rain. I got 4 miles still to go. All right. All right, we're at 1 mile of our 4-mile hike, or training walk. 1 mile. Okay, we're approaching the 2-mile turnaround. It's 14 February, Friday the 14th, 2020. I'm on a training walk. Got the Grand Canyon coming up in 9 weeks. All right, got the street here. All right, approaching the turnaround. You can probably hear the traffic. All right, we've completed the turnaround. Major milestone for today's walk. Okay, I'm at the 3-mile mark. Can you see the lake behind me? Yeah, 3-mile mark. Out here in the wilderness. 3-mile mark. Wilderness. Can you see the wilderness behind me now? Okay. 20 more minutes. Okay, we're at about the 3.5-mile mark, and the wind has really picked up. You're probably in the low 30s with the wind chill. I guess I'll make it, I don't know. I'll report back in a few minutes if I'm able to gut this out. Okay, we've made it. Another 4-mile training walk in the books. Yes, we survived bitterly cold 40-degree temperatures with a hellacious wind chill at times. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.